Welcome back to MarineMax Lake Norman. My name is Leo Johnson, and today I am showcasing a fresh trade-in here at our Lake Norman location. This is a 2024 Monterey 278SS. This is a phenomenally equipped boat here with the navy blue hull side. It's got the black accent stripe and the white power tower up top. This boat is in like new condition with just over 2 engine hours. That's right, 2 engine hours on this 6.2 350 MERCRUISER. Let's climb aboard and check out some of the interior features. Welcome aboard this 278SS. You'll see this boat's got the white interior, and like I was mentioning outside, this boat is in like new condition. Phenomenal shape, no rips, tears, or stains on the upholstery anywhere to be seen. This boat's got a really nice convertible aft lounger here. This will flip up with a little backrest. Also got your backrest here. You can unscrew this little knob here and slide that whole thing flat. Boat's got great storage under this port corner here that goes through the other side of the lounger as well. Coming further in the boat over here on the starboard side, you're gonna have controls for your drive up and drive down from the swim platform. Makes dry stacking this boat very easy. Got a hot and cold water shower and your battery charger right over here on the side. Walking further in, you've got great access to your battery switches behind this block-off door here. Nice magnetic catch. And your main Fusion Audio head unit is right back here for all your passengers to enjoy. Coming further in, speaking of JL audio, this boat's got lots of speakers throughout. It's got a subwoofer, it's got RGB lighting in the speakers down on the sides there. Got double igloo coolers on this boat, one on either side here. So great entertainment value there as well. Coming forward here, the passenger seat flips back and forth either way to customize your seating experience over here. Both your driver and your passenger are also gonna have flip up bolsters. Here at the driver's seat, you're gonna gain 2 armrests here, with access to your controls for your Mercury digital throttle and shift, your windlass anchor, your power tower, and your engine hatch all over here. Some manual controls here just above your Lenco trim tab system. It's got a Simrad Go screen in it with those analog gauges. You see here just those 2.1 engine hours on this boat. It's a phenomenal value. Another stereo head unit here for your captain, and then access to your lights, docking lights, things like that. Over on the port side, we've got a nice glove box here in your head door. Great spot for keys, phone, registration. And then down here, we've got some items in there for storage at the moment, but a very large head with a pump out. Coming up to the bow on this boat, you're gonna have a nice wide block-off door here that pairs very well with your windshield flip over to keep those elements away. You've got great storage under your helm here. You see we've got some bow filler cushions in there right now. Tuck that back. Coming forward, you've got armrests on both sides for your forward passengers here. Your forward passengers are also going to have 2 cup holders on either side, as well as some storage underneath these seats. Up at the very front of the boat, you've got access to your bow boarding ladder, which is a nice feature to have. It goes right over the front, makes those sandbar days that much better. Last but not least, up here you have a table mount right here. There's also one in the aft section for tables that are not installed at the moment. It's a great way to customize this space. We've also got a bow filler cushion for up here as well. That's been a quick video overview of this fresh trade-in Monterey 278SS here at MarineMax Lake Norman. If you have any questions on this boat or want to come check it out, stop by our showroom in Cornelius, give us a call, or check it out at marinemax.com for more. Thanks for watching.